There have been stories that children who have fallen from very great height, they are completely saved. Nothing happened to them. Their innocence is such a powerful thing that it doesn't harm anyone who is not to be harmed. It has all the wisdom of the world, all the understanding of the world. And anybody who tries to harm the innocence, the world, the whole world, which has maybe not have cared so much for innocence, might not have worshipped innocence so much, but they all stand up against anybody who tries to harm the innocence. You can see in your own lives around you, anybody tries to trouble children, all of them, whatever they are coming from, whatever may be their nationality, they all jump to control and to safeguard that child. What is it? What is it within us that makes us so very conscious to protect the innocence? It's a really shame, great shame for us when we find in this world that innocence is under attack. Anything else can be tolerated. Innocent people who have done nothing wrong, those who have no malice, who are living like little children, I should say, if they are attacked by anyone, not that the whole world reacts to that, but every one of them cannot bear any innocent person or innocent being being harmed. We don't realize that within us there is the ocean of love and ocean of understanding for children. Why? Why should it be? Why should we feel like that, especially for children, especially for innocence? There are people who are always attacking innocent people, innocent children. There are. But no one wants to support them. No one thinks that's proper to ill-treat children. The greatest sympathy comes when innocent is being challenged. That's what human beings have. Within themselves they have the power of Sri Ganesha, which gives you that feeling, that capacity, that understanding that you have to protect innocent children, innocent people. And the whole world can rise against all such people who are trying to kill the innocent. There cannot be any doubt. If they cannot oppose such an attack or criticize such a thing, then they are not yet human beings, I would say. The highest personality can sacrifice anything and can give up anything, but they cannot give up the feeling they have for innocence. It's very remarkable. We don't realize how much there is this ocean of protection and love for the innocent. What attracts the greatest strength is when we see an innocent person, innocent children are under attack. That's the beauty of human beings. I told you before also that the innocence within us never gets destroyed. Very surprising. You may be a sinner, you must be a very cruel person, you might be anything, but it cannot get after innocence. It is a very, very secret thing that is put within us by the Divine. We play with our innocence very much. We think that by behaving any way we like, it's all right. After all, it's my own desire, my wish. And we go on all the time reducing our power, or we can say the hiding or covering our power of innocence. And we think we have done a great job, that we have befooled all the people by our tricky nature. This tricky nature cannot give you any satisfaction. It is not self-sufficient. When you try to trick someone, this trick works on you. It is repelled on you and destroys your faith in innocence, which is the greatest faith, greatest help, or we should the greatest power on this earth. Those people who do not respect their innocence because they think it makes you weak have not seen the power of innocence, how it works, how it acts from all over the world. It reacts. But so far, I think the human beings are not conscious of the power of innocence. That it is the highest thing to be innocent. And it acts as if the whole understanding, whole working out of the being is so beautifully achieved. Now you see in this world, what says, what people remember, what is respected. Is respected the high ideals. But if you see to the subtle side, all these high ideals of people have lived a very, very beautiful life of very good character, of very good nature. All these people may have been harmed, may have been killed, but because of their innocence, they shine, and shine through ages. You can see the life of all great men like that. They are all very simple. They are not deliberated anything. Spontaneous they are in their behaving. Spontaneously they live. Nations after nations can be destroyed, but the power of innocence cannot be destroyed. Have faith in that. You have to have complete faith in yourself, and that yourself is nothing but innocence.